Hey guys, this is the Mahindra XUV 500 first generation variant, and irrespective of the make and model of your car, as these cars get a little older, unfortunately what you see is a little bit of wear and tear. Here let me attract your attention towards this parking brake lever, and as you can see this plastic piece has cracked and it has broken off. If your car comes with a leather gear lever, even the leather tends to wear out. So what you do is you approach the dealer and ask him to repair it. But what the dealer will say is you will have to replace this whole entire lever assembly from beneath over here, and that costs a lot of money. Plus it is excessive because we are just replacing the whole assembly for the sake of this aesthetic appeal. Unfortunately, these sharp edges can also hurt your hand, so we cannot leave it dangling like this. So what I did is I went online and I found a nice little solution for this problem. This is a basic silicone cover that you just slide on like this. So let me show it to you. It just goes on like that. So there's no drilling, there's no gluing, it just goes on. It sits here. It makes your parking brake lever presentable and easy to use. So those sharp edges are not going to hurt your hands. And depending on the make and model of your car, this thing is pretty cheap. I got this thing on Amazon. It is available for around 200 to 300 rupees. If you want to buy this kind of silicone cover, then an affiliate buying link is available in the description or in the first comment below. So using this kind of little cheap trick, you can make your car presentable and safe to use. Guys, if you want to learn more about informative topics, then there will be a bunch of cards popping up here and here on the screen. You can click on them and learn something new today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.